All right, let's finish with letter D. So it says, how many particles of KNO2 are produced when 2.50 grams of O2 form according to the equation? So you are given, you're given grams of O2 and you want to convert that to particles of KNO2. So let's see, so let's start with grams of O2. So what do you know? You know that 1 mole of O2 is equals to what? The mass of O2, right? What is the mass of O2? You go to your periodic table, you know that mass of O2, mass of O is 16, so mass of O2 is going to be 32. 32 grams of O2. That's your first relationship. Let's go with another relationship. What else do you need? You need to convert O2 to KNO2. You know that 2KNO2 will form with 1 O2, and that will be produced by 2 moles of KNO3. So that's another relationship that we have right here. What's another relationship that you have? Oh, particles, right? So now let's go to particles. You know that 1 mole of KNO2 has 2.0. No, wait, I'm sorry. 6.02. I don't know why I said 2. 6.02 times 10 to the 23 particles of KNO2. I think these 3 relationships should be enough. Now let's solve these problems. Okay, so let's put what you're given. What you're given is 2.50 grams of O2. Let's get rid of the grams of O2. So let's multiply times a fraction. What do you want to get rid of? You want to get rid of the grams of O2. What's the relationship that you have with respect to the grams of O2? Right here. 32 grams of O2 is equals to 1 mole of O2. All right. Now you have moles of O2, but you don't want moles of O2, so let's get rid of the moles of O2. What do you know about the moles of O2? You know let's use this one, right? So 1 mole of O2 is equals to 2 moles of KNO2. All right, perfect. Now we have KNO2, but you have moles, not particles. So let's convert moles to particles. Let's do this again, times the fraction, times the unit rate. And the last thing will be not 2, but 1 mole of KNO2 is equals to 6.02 times 10 to the 23 particles of KNO2. All right, so the grams with O2 will cancel with the grams of O2. Always remember, cancel it in diagonal. Mole of O2 will cancel with the mole of O2. Mole of KNO2 will cancel with the mole of KNO2, and you will be left with, particles of KNO2. So these will be particles of KNO2. So on the top, you have 2.5 times 1 times 2 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23. So let's put that on top. 2.5 times 1, you don't need to put that times 1, times 2 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23. And what do you have on the bottom? 32, 1, and 1. You don't need to put the 1, so just put the 32. You go to your calculator. 2.5 times 2 is 5 times 6.02. That's 30.1 divided by 32. That is 0.94 times 10 to 23. This is equals to 9.406 particles of KNO2.